Let's burst the myth about pre-stitched sarees today. They say pre-stitched sarees restrict styling and can be worn in just one way. Today I'm going to show you 4 ways of wearing this ready-to-wear wonder.
Take the end part of the pallu and secure it with a pin on your shoulder. Now pleat the remaining length and tuck it around your waist. In the loop 2, pleat the pallu and drape it over your left shoulder from behind. Secure it with a waist belt, leaving the pallu open to fall gracefully over your hand. The next style is very similar to the previous one. Simply pleat the pallu and drape it on your right shoulder. Now accessorize it with a waist belt to complete the look. For the final look, take both the ends of the pallu and secure it with the pin around your neck for a contemporary style.
Pre-stitched sarees are just like regular saree but more convenient. It can be styled in as many styles as you want.